So we're going to make a yummy flatbread pizza. Yes, it's not gonna have the super crazy doughy crust and all that. This is just a nice, fun, basic weekday meal. I love me real pizza too, okay? So don't think that I'm eating this thinking that I'm eating some real pizza. So I bought some mozzarella. I'm probably not gonna use a ton of this. The alternative to that, which I would normally use most often, is going to be these Laughing Cow cheeses. The Laughing Cow cheeses, I'd probably do 2 of these, all right? So I sort of did a little rough calculation, not including this cheese, okay? We're gonna put her aside because she is higher in calories, okay, and fat. So she's gonna build up the cost. Our bank account will run low, our macro bank account. But okay, if we're gonna do all the ingredients that I have here on my pizza, which is this flatbread, okay, we have turkey pepperonis, okay, these are uncured, and then we're gonna do some uncured bacon, or Canadian bacon, aka ham. So 17 pepperonis, and I believe it is 2 of these little ham steaks are going to give me already over 20 grams of protein. So these are low in fat. The rest of the items I'm using, the cheese, I'm gonna use some fresh basil. I also have some sun-dried tomatoes I'm gonna put on there. We have some mushroom, and then a smattering of pizza sauce. This stuff is super good. It was also at Sprouts. And I'm probably gonna do a light drizzle of some white truffle oil and some Italian seasoning. And honestly, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, stay tuned.